आओ यार, अपने कान में ईयरफोन्स डाल लो। क्या डाल भी लिए? वह तेज हो रहा है, वह तेज हो रहा सालो। खैर शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी बकचोदी के।
Hi guys, myself Gagan. I'm here to explain about mudSort. Let us look into it. If you ever wonder how computers sort large amount of data, you have come to the right place. Let's take a look at one of the most important and efficient way to sort a data, that is mudSort. In sorting algorithm, there are four types: bubble sort, quick sort, selection sort, and heap sort. In bubble sort, it is a simple but inefficient algorithm that repeatedly steps through the list, compress the adjacent elements, and swap them if they are in the wrong order. In quicksort, it uses the divide and conquer algorithm that selects a pivot element and partitions the other elements into two sublists according to whether they are less than or greater than the pivot elements. Then the array elements are swapped in quicksort. In selection sort, it is a simple comparison based algorithm that selects the smallest element from the unsorted list. In each iterations, place the elements in the correct order. In the heap sort, it is a comparison based technical based sorting algorithm. On the binary heap, the data structures that sort the element in the larger order. Now, introduction to the merge sort. The basics of the merge sort. In merge sort, it is in a type of sorting algorithm. It is a very popular divide and conquer algorithm. It breaks down the input sorted array into a smaller arrays until each array elements are merged. Then the array is sorted. By this way, the merge sort works. The algorithm efficiency. In merge sort, the efficiency it is consistency. It has the worst case, average case, and best case time complexity. The worst case and the best case time complexity of the merge sort is 0 of n log n. The big picture of the merge sort. To sort an array, merge sort divides the array into two equal halves and sort each halves, then merge them to merge the sorted array to the backside. Now, how merge sort works? Merge sort works on the divide and conquer method. Here, divide conquer, later it combines the sorted arrays. In divide rule, it recursively divides the given array into an halves until all sub halves have one elements. And in conquer, the sorted the sub arrays by merging them two at a time in the correct order. Later, the conquered arrays are combined by the repeated by the previous step by merging the subarrays until the whole array is sorted. By this way, the divide, conquer, and combine works in the merge sort. The time complexity analysis of merge sort. There are three cases in time complexity analysis of the merge sort is best case, average case, and worst case. In best case, it happens when the array is already sorted. If the time complexity of the best case is 0 of n log n, and the average case of the merge sort is the time complexity 0 of n log n, same as the best case. In the worst case, the merge sort time complexity is 0 of n log n. It occurs when the arrays are sorted reverse order. By this way, the best case, average case, and worst case analysis takes place in merge sort. The pseudocode formation and implementation. How the pseudocodes are implemented in the merge sort. First, it divides the given array into two equal halves. Later, it recursively sort the two halves of an array. And third step is merge the sorted halves into a single sorted array. By this way, the pseudocode implementation is done in the merge sort. The advantages of the merge sort. The main advantages of the merge sort is fast and efficient generated sorting and guaranteed sorting, useful for external sorting. First is fast and efficient. The merge sort has an average and worst time complexity of 0 of n log n, which makes it one of the most efficient sorting algorithm. Guaranteed sorting. Guaranteed sorting. The merge sort it is suitable for the guaranteed array. Always sort the given list and useful for the external sorting. Since the divide and conquer method of merge sort does not require the entire data set by the memory, it can be useful to sort the data by the large to fit in the memory. By this way, the main advantages of the merge sort works. The real world application of the merge sort. There are two main important applications of merge sort in real world is merge of two sorted arrays and sorting files. In merge of two sorted arrays, when we can apply means the two sorted arrays are efficient manner which is useful for the database management system that works with a large amount of data. By this way or on this time we can apply the merge of two sorted arrays in the merge sort. In sorting files, the merge sort is used in the external sorting of the large data set, includes sorting of files and tapes. This is because of the merge sort used for the very little additional memories. By this way, the sorting file works in the merge sort. By this way, I conclude my assignment. Peace.
अब तुम लोग गलती से अगर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पे अपने जीजा जी फेंक के मारो या फूफा जी, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए। अब मैं भी जा रहा हूं, मुझे मुठिया पेलने जाना है। बाय। मोहित